Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we get some amazing news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I'm not particularly concerned about the smaller Samsung Galaxy Note 10, but I'm highly concerned about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the larger model. And in this video, we have some amazing, highly reliable leaks from Evan Blass and also own leaks saying the same exact thing. These phones, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, are going to ship with the upgraded Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And that is great news. Now it's not over. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the smaller version, is not going to have micro SD expansion option, but the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is in fact going to have micro SD expansion. So that is also fantastic news. Now, as you know, the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus have the Snapdragon 855 processor, and those processors are still top of the line. They're super fast, but the 855 Plus is a mid-cycle refresh with an upgraded graphical performance. So we do have 15% more graphical capability on the 855 Plus as opposed to the 855. And of course, it's going to be slightly more power efficient, and the CPU clock speed is going to go up a little bit, okay? But the biggest thing is it is going to give us better graphics performance. So that's fantastic news. I'll let that sink in for a minute. So the Note 10 Plus, micro SD expansion, check. Snapdragon 855 Plus, check, okay? So those are good upgrades to look forward to. Now, it's not that the Snapdragon 855 processor is a bad processor, but when you know that the 855 Plus is available on the market, and when you know that the Note series are supposed to be the absolute flagship smartphones from Samsung, you just expect the best processor in there. And now we do have a confirmation. Now, again, I do have to say these are leaks, but they're coming this time from two highly reliable sources. All right, so drop your comments down below and let me know what you think about this. Now, my interest level before this news in the Note 10 was pretty high, but now it's even higher. All right, so drop those comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is really good news, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day for now. And of course, if anybody is wondering what this light over here is, I'll drop a link to this light down below. When you tap it, it just changes colors, as you can see. All right, and when you press and hold, it just shuts off. All right, so if you want this, I'm going to drop a link down below. There we go. All these color options. All right.